Hey there! Welcome back to our channel! As the workout mantra goes, eat, sleep, train, repeat. And yet, chances are you'll wake up unable to walk after a leg day, but feel like you should keep exercising. Work the soreness out, right? Well, not so fast. Prioritizing muscle recovery time in your workout schedule is essential, but understanding what happens to your muscles when you exercise will help you know why it's essential to factor in time for your recovery. In this video, we'll talk about the exercise and recovery, what types of training require more recovery, different approaches, foods, and drinks to aid recovery. So, make sure to stay with us until the end of this video to understand all the aspects of the muscle recovery process. Why do we need to allow time for muscle recovery? Every type of workout places stress on your body, and the tougher the challenge, the more your muscles have to handle. From lifting hefty weights in the gym to finally nailing Paravasana pose in yoga, there are many ways you can cause your muscles to feel tired from exercise. This process of working out and then recovering is how you build muscle, reduce inflammation, and improve your insulin sensitivity and cardiovascular health. It occurs because your body's tissues, such as your muscles, lungs, heart, and bones, are able to repair this damage, which means the next time you do the same exercise, they'll be ready for it. Repeated over time, this process of stress plus recovery equals how you become a healthier, fitter person. That's why it's important to place as much emphasis on recovery as you do on exercise. If not, you'll quickly burn out and may even injure yourself through overtraining. Additionally, inadequate rest and recovery can lead to other health issues, such as poor immunity, hormonal issues, and depression. How long does muscle recovery take? Your muscle recovery time depends on you and what type of exercise you're doing. If you're doing light workouts and paying attention to your body, you may only need minimal recovery time, aside from prioritizing sleep each night. If you're doing moderate to intense exercise, you must take a couple of days off. At least one, if not two, after a challenging workout. A study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that 3 days are required for your muscles to fully recover after an intense strength training session. It's also important to know that when you're experiencing stress in your daily life, you'll also need to factor in more muscle recovery time. A separate study from the same publication found that stress levels and recovery times are linked, with increased stress leading to a slower recovery, while less stress saw a faster recovery window. Types of recovery. Sleep. Sleep is essential to recovery, especially for strength training, as it's integral for muscle growth. Research has found that sleep deprivation can impair your body's inflammation reaction and production of muscle growth hormones. That means poor sleep equals poor muscle recovery. So, this form of recovery should be a priority at the end of every workout day. Passive recovery. As the name suggests, passive recovery is when you give your body a complete break, doing as little physical exertion as possible. A recovery session like this might be relaxing with a book, watching TV, or doing anything that makes you feel chilled out. Active recovery. While it may seem contradictory initially, active recovery is when you do light exercise the day after an intense workout. It helps increase blood flow to your muscles, helping them to recover faster and better. A recovery session like this might look like gentle yoga, walking, or swimming. A recovery run is a particularly great form of active recovery if you've done an intense run or a marathon the day before. Pick somewhere flat, as you don't want any challenging hills, and go for a short run at a slow, relaxed pace. Include some stretches and plenty of fluids. Your muscles will thank you. What to eat for muscle recovery? There are 3 critical times of day where you can boost your capacity for muscle recovery with food, especially if you're doing any form of strength training. Pre-workout. A small protein snack before you exercise can help increase your muscle protein synthesis, which is vital for maintaining and building muscle. Opt for something easy to digest, like a hard-boiled egg, nuts, or Greek yogurt. However, don't overeat, or you could work out with an upset stomach. Post-workout. Protein and carbohydrates should be your go-to meal after exercise. Protein will enhance your capacity to repair muscle damage, and carbs will top up the glycogen stores in your muscles, your primary energy source, which are depleted during intense workouts. Eat something that mixes complex carbohydrates like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread with a healthy protein option like tofu, fish, or beans. Before bed. Studies have shown that a small protein snack before bed can also positively affect your muscle protein synthesis. Again, go for one of the light, easily digestible suggestions above and consume it at least 30 minutes before bed so that your stomach isn't trying to process this food while you sleep. As we've seen, factoring in time for your recovery is essential to any training schedule. Remember, the harder you push your muscles, the longer you'll need to recover. So, make sure you get the most out of what you put in by allowing time to rest and repair. Then, get ready to go again. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked this video, and we'll see you in the next one.